Well, everyone, iOS 26.5 is one of those updates that just came out, and it's available on a lot of different iPhones, starting with the iPhone 11 all the way up to the iPhone 17s. Now, in my personal opinion, if you're on iOS 26 already, then go ahead and install iOS 26.5. But if you haven't yet installed iOS 26 at all yet, if you're still on iOS 18, I think it wouldn't hurt to still stick with iOS 18 just for a little bit longer. I think going through and installing one of those types of updates right now would probably be one of the smarter things to do of sticking with iOS 18, because iOS 26 still could have a little bit more to go when it comes down to the stability. Now, I will say with that being said, you also don't want to be stuck in a situation where you're continuously just waiting for that next update and you actually never fully update. So if that is the case, then maybe it makes sense to go and update in your personal situation. I would say if you have an iPhone 14 or above, then you can update with most of the time pretty much being okay with software. So you'll update, you'll see some glitches and bugs here and there, but it won't be anything crazy, and you should be able to still have a really good functioning iPhone. But if you have an iPhone 13 or below, those ones might be showing their age a little bit more, and that's kind of the thing that I've been seeing. So like I said, it's completely up to you, but as I'm going through and kind of looking at these updates, that's kind of the way I'd kind of recommend thinking about. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.